The body. Head. Head. He kissed the top of her head. Hair. Hair. Her hair was short and dark. Neck. Neck. You have a lot of tension in your neck muscles. Chest. Chest. My chest hurt, so I went for a checkup. Back. Back. His back was damaged in an accident. Nose. Nose. He had a nose surgery. Mouth. Mouth. They told him to keep his mouth closed. Foot. Foot. My foot hurts. Leg. Leg. She fell and broke her leg. Toe. Toe. He stopped his toe on a rock. Eye. Eye. She's got beautiful eyes. Ear. Ear. She tucked her hair behind her ears. Shoulder. Shoulder. He tapped the driver on the shoulder. Arm. Arm. He had a tattoo on his left arm. Hand. Hand. In her hand was a tattered old photograph. Finger. Finger. We ate with our fingers. Thank you all for your likes and comments. If you like our content, please subscribe to our channel.